Today's lesson is all about how to recognise a lifeguard. When you go to the beach at certain times of the year, you will probably see lifeguards patrolling. It is important that we always try to swim in the sea between the red and yellow flags, as this is where the lifeguards are watching and keeping people safe. Lifeguards are usually dressed in red and yellow so they stand out from other beach users. Take a look at our lovely lifeguards in Loo last year during a swim safe session. You may also see lifeguards sat in a tower like these lifeguards in Littlehampton. Lifeguards use different types of equipment to perform rescues. These include rescue boards, jet skis and rescue tubes. You may even be able to spot their van on the beach as well, where they make tannoy announcements to people using the beach and sea. Next time you're at the beach, make sure you try to look out for the lifeguards and only swim between the red and yellow flags. Your challenge this week is to design your own lifeguard uniform and kit. Get creative and post your designs to the Swim Safe Facebook page and we will share our favourites. See you next time for more Swim Safe fun.